popcorn. Oh no, it just went everywhere. Don't worry, Caitlin, I can help you. So here at Gary Roan Kia, we have auto clean. This is D'Angelo. He's in charge, and he's gonna go over with you a full detail on a vehicle.
Hi, our very first step in getting your car prepped and looking good to go again is first giving your car a multi-step wash. That includes removing any loose dirt, contamination with a clay bar, and decontaminating your paint to make sure your paint is silky smooth again. Our next step is a multi-step paint correction followed by a nice ceramic coating or a nice hand wax application to make sure you have a nice lustrous shine. Following that, we have the interior. In the interior, we shampoo your carpets, remove any loose articles, dirt, grime, filth, whatever it may be. We take care of your leather, your door panels, your plastic trims, speakers, carpets, everything, you name it, headliner included. We provide your leather with a nice multi-step care. We deoxidize the paint, your glass will come out looking brand new again, and your wheels especially.